In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Outlook, add reminder to follow up on the sent email message. By the end, you'll know how to turn a sent email into a task and set a reminder so you never forget to check back in. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search box, type Outlook, then click the official Microsoft Outlook website in the results. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so you land in your mailbox. Once you're in Outlook on the web, look to the left sidebar and open the Sent Items folder. This is where all the messages you've already sent are stored. Find the email you want to follow up on. It helps to pick messages with clear subject lines so they're easy to spot later. Right-click that sent email to open the context menu. Move your cursor over. Advanced Actions to reveal more options, then click Create Task. This instantly converts your email into a task in Microsoft To Do and keeps a link back to the original message, so you can jump right back to it when you're ready to follow up. If you have multiple messages selected, make sure you're right-clicking only the one you want. Next, open the task list. In Outlook's left sidebar, click the checkmark icon, often labeled To Do. This brings up your tasks. Look for the new task you just created. It usually inherits the email's subject as its title. Click the task to open its details pane. Inside the task details, click Remind Me, or select the small notification bell if you see that instead. This is where you tell Outlook when to nudge you. Choose the date that makes sense for your follow-up using the calendar picker. If a time option is available, set one that fits your working hours so the reminder arrives when you can act on it. Remember, a reminder is simply a notification. It's separate from due dates or recurring schedules and can be adjusted anytime. When you're satisfied with the reminder settings, click Save. Your reminder is now active and will sync across Outlook and the Microsoft To Do apps on your devices, provided notifications are enabled. If your plans change, just reopen the task, tweak the reminder, or mark it complete when you're done. That's all there is to it. Open Outlook, go to Sent Items, right-click the email, choose Advanced Actions, select Create Task, open To Do, select the task, set. Remind Me, pick your date, and save. With this workflow, your follow-ups become automatic, consistent, and easy to manage.